Hey everyone, welcome back to Cool Gadgets. Today, we're diving into the world of teeth whitening with Crest 3D Whitestrips Professional Effects. If you're looking to brighten your smile from the comfort of your own home, this might be the solution for you. Crest 3D Whitestrips Professional Effects is designed to give you professional level teeth whitening results at home. The advanced seal technology ensures that the strips stay in place while you whiten, allowing you to go about your day without any interruptions. These strips use the same whitening ingredient as dentists, so you can trust that they're safe and effective. With just 20 treatments over 22 days, you can achieve a smile that's up to 20 levels whiter. Simply apply the strips for 45 minutes a day and enjoy a noticeably whiter smile. Plus, this pack includes a bonus 1-hour express treatment for even faster results. Thanks for tuning in to our overview of Crest 3D Whitestrips Professional Effects. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Cool Gadgets for more reviews of health and beauty products. Stay tuned for our next video, and remember, a brighter smile is just a strip away with Crest.